Hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel once again. This is your friend Abhishek, but not a financial advisor. And today we are going to talk about Tesla stock. Yes, guys. So today we are going to talk about Tesla stock because that's one of the stocks which I am heavily buying. So the three stocks to name which I'm buying right now is Tesla, Enphase Energy, Cassava Sciences, let's say. Okay. And if you guys would like to know my portfolio, what I'm buying, what I'm selling, you can always be a member of our Patreons community. We are definitely trying our best to provide the best efforts and knowledge to our Patreon members, and you can find the link in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, first of all, let's see the news which recently came up, which is again benefiting Tesla, which is the UAW strike. So at the time of recording this video, this news is pretty fresh. Okay, I don't know when I'll be able to edit it, but I hope in the coming 1 to 2 days. But at the time of recording this video, and the headline is pretty convincing and pretty decent, saying Tesla seen gaining share in the EV race as UAW strike hits the big three rivals. Now, how Tesla is going to benefit from it? Well, let's see here. So Tesla, a non-union employer, could see both a market share boost as well as price advantage discount if the United Auto Workers Union strike, which kicked off last night, which is on Friday, extends into October and beyond that. Okay, and this is because Elon Musk is always way ahead of the time. I don't know how he figures out. If I don't understand. Maybe he can see the future or something like that. I mean, he reduced the prices for the cars and he is paying far more than the UAW workers. So definitely he's not the one who is getting affected by it. So I mean, it seems like he could really see that this is going to come and reducing the prices to increase the market share. And now this, an additional benefit to further increase the market share. This, yeah, amazing. Anyways, the article further says that that could be a key advantage for Tesla, which has been cutting prices in the key market worldwide, like I said, in the US to boost the market share. Yeah. And what were the demands of the UAW? Yeah. And what was the reason behind UAW strike? So alongside demands of 40% pay increase spread over 4.5 years, and has also expressed concerns that its members get paid for less for working hours. So that's the basic reason of the strike. And a prolonged strike, according to Webush analyst, says that this could disrupt the EV production schedule for both Ford and GM. And this is the reason why, again, Tesla could go beyond. And this is pushing their plans out of 2024 and beyond. Yeah, and this is actually a crucial period because when Tesla solves the FSD, yeah, and in the coming few years, and Tesla will have the biggest data set, the biggest, yeah, that could really help the FSD, the AI model, and we will get on to that because that's the second important factor, bullish factor. So anyways, so these 1 to 3 years are really crucial for all the EV competitors of Tesla, and if they are laid back by such strikes and these mishappenings, then Tesla is already 10 steps ahead and they will go 10 steps behind. So Tesla will be in total 20 steps ahead of them. So a really big mishappening for these competitors. So this is a potential nightmare situation for GM and Ford as both are in the early stage of massive EV transformation. And if this happens, yeah, this could be a big setback for them. On the other hand, Tesla, which is a non-union employer, faces similar issues, which speaks to the complexity of both. But Elon Musk has been actively and aggressively pushing back the union activities. And how is he doing that? By, of course, paying the employees in a decent way. And yeah, he also fired few employees, as we already know. So actually, this all came in favor of Tesla again. Okay. So this is the first set of news which I wanted to show you guys. And the second and the most important piece of this video, why I am buying more and more Tesla, because Tesla every time doesn't fail to amaze me as an investor. Yeah. And since we were talking about AI, and that's Dojo. So the big step forward for Tesla is Dojo supercomputer. Now, I will try to keep this as layman as possible so that every viewer out there of mine can understand this. So what Dojo supercomputer is going to do for Tesla? Well, supercomputer in general is a set of hardware, yeah. And Tesla's Dojo is supposed to be one of the 5 most powerful supercomputers in the world. So this is something really incredible. And this is what I can think of if they are becoming so powerful that means what are they really aiming for is gonna be huge. Okay, so for now, according to my understanding, it will be only used to train the AI model for full self-driving. So this, let's say, supercomputer is a general term, but in this case, this is gonna be an AI training cluster. Yeah, this supercomputer is gonna train the artificial intelligence neural network model, which will be used for full self-driving. So all the billions of bytes of data which was collected by all these cars on the road, yeah, will have to be translated into a language which the AI engine can understand. And this is the purpose of the Dojo supercomputer. So if I just have to shorten this up, I would say Dojo is built up for the FSD, full self-driving, and they want to create a digital visual twin of what our eyes see, a human eye sees. And this is incredible, guys. And this has cheered me up further to buy more and more Tesla. I can simply say that Tesla is gonna be, yeah, easily 6 to 10 trillion dollar market cap company in the coming 10-11 years. And yeah, that's why I'm buying more and more Tesla. So that's it, guys. These were the two important pieces of news which I wanted to share with you guys regarding Tesla stock, and this was the Tesla stock analysis video. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. And you're most welcome to join our Patreons community where we discuss all these stuff on daily basis. And yeah, so let the game begin. And if you guys would like to know which other stock I'm buying, then you can watch this video right here. And yeah, you'll be surprised to see how undervalued companies are still there on the stock market. Cheers.